In a Michigan courtroom, confusion turns to confrontation. A defendant challenges her very identity, and a judge must decide who, exactly, is standing before the court.
Court calls case People versus Jade Latham.
Case on behalf of the people.
Water Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Lathan. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record, please?
I'm not Ms. Lathan, I'm principal. I am J. Ruth Bay, card holder and principal of Jade Lathan.
Your Honor, I did attempt.
Mr. Overwater, while she's given that, is this the person that you know to be the individual named in the complaint? If not, we are going to have a problem, and I will have this person, since she got up here, taken into custody. We will do fingerprints and we will determine her identity by our standards.
The courtroom is tense from the start. The case is called People versus Jadeline, but when asked to state her name, the woman before the bench refuses. "I'm not Miss Lean," she declares. "I am Principal J. Ruth Bay, cardholder and principal of Jadeline." The judge raises an eyebrow. The defense attorney hesitates. Uncertainty fills the air. Is this the right defendant, or a new kind of legal argument about to unfold?
So we can do it one of two ways.
Judge, I don't question that she is physically the person that is alleged to have committed these offenses. What I do believe is that there is an issue as to competency.
For the record, I do not know this man, and I did send him a cease and desist to not represent me. However, thank you, Your Honor. I am the principal and card holder of Jade, Ruth, and Lathan, and beneficiary.
Very well. Mr. Overwater, you are on this case, so.
The judge turns to the public defender. "Is this the person named in the complaint?" she asks. When the lawyer confirms her identity, the judge warns that if there's any deception, fingerprints will settle it. Her tone sharpens. "We can do this one of two ways." The courtroom falls silent. The message is clear. Confusion will not derail this hearing.
What do you wish?
Judge, I believe that at this point, the issue of competency needs to be raised. So I would ask for a competency evaluation. This matter be set over for a competency hearing.
I'm not
Pursuant
asking
to the
for
statute.
anything, and that's, from the horse's mouth.
I'll need an order.
I did turn in my statement of fact so that there's more than the police record on the record. I have not harmed anyone.
The defense attorney, Mr. Overwater, speaks carefully. He acknowledges the defendant's presence but raises a new concern: competency. He requests a formal evaluation to determine if she understands the proceedings. Across the courtroom, the woman interrupts, denying his authority. "I sent him a cease and desist," she insists. "He does not represent me." The tension rises again as the judge struggles to maintain control.
And the cameras will reflect that if we are to go that far. But I would like to motion to settle.
I don't know what that means.
Well, I want to settle because I'm the card holder in X relation to the principal, and I do not want to be
I have
mistaken.
no idea what you're talking about.
Okay. I yield.
Thank you. Forensic evaluation is ordered. I'll order a competency hearing. I'll set that.
She continues to identify herself as the principal and cardholder of Jade Ruth, using unfamiliar legal terms. The judge listens but remains unmoved. Her voice is calm, steady, the voice of authority in a courtroom losing order. Every word reveals a growing gap between the court's language and the defendant's beliefs.
Competency hearing for Dandy.
June 6th.
June 6, 2024, 9 a.m.
2020.
At this time, bond will continue. Mr. Overwater, prepare the order, please.
I will do that.
Attorney Overwater repeats his motion. He urges the court to proceed with a competency evaluation, citing the obvious confusion on record. The judge nods, her patience steady but tested. A decision is about to be made, one that could determine whether this case moves forward or pauses indefinitely.
Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
You may not agree with the law, but inside this courtroom, it's the only language that stands.